Hi, I'm Martha Warrener. I'm a California bankruptcy attorney with over 40 years experience. I'm here to give you a few tips if you'd like to try filing it yourself. First, get familiar with your local bankruptcy court's website. uscourts.gov for the entire country, cacb.uscourts.gov if you're in the Central District of California. There are 4 districts in California: Central, which covers most of Southern California; Southern, which is San Diego and nearby counties; Northern, the Bay Area and up to the Oregon border; and Eastern, Sacramento and the Central Valley. There is a ton of information on your court's website, including petition packages, videos, and instructions. First, you need to take the pre-petition credit counseling course. Again, you'll find the authorized providers on your court's website. You must take this course no more than 6 months before you file your bankruptcy petition. It's an online course and it's not expensive. The provider should email you a certificate once you've completed it. That certificate must be filed with your petition, although it is a separate document. If you're unemployed or have minimal income, you may qualify to have the $338 filing fee waived or paid in 3 installments. So look for those forms in the petition package that you'll find on the website. If you think you qualify, you'll have to take your application to your local bankruptcy court in person and wait for the judge to review it and either approve it or deny it. When you're ready to do this, you should set up an appointment time with the clerk's office. Click on the Intake Scheduling System link on the website and call the help number provided. If you do need to file and pay your fee, the court will not accept cash or check for your filing fee. You'll need a cashier's check or a postal money order payable to U.S. Bankruptcy Court. Make sure it's postal. They won't accept just any money order. In order to qualify for Chapter 7, your gross annual income must be less than your state's median income for a family of your size. To find this information, go to the link provided below in the references for median income table. Make sure that you're using the latest numbers based on your filing date and look for your state. If your income is less than the listed median income, you qualify to file a Chapter 7. If not, you either need to take and pass the full means test, and I've got another video that talks about that, or file a Chapter 13 instead. In either case, at a minimum, you should consult a local bankruptcy attorney. Most offer free consultation. The issues involved in the means test are complicated and hard to navigate without professional assistance. The next issue is exemptions. This is another issue that's difficult to navigate by yourself. For most states, there are 2 sets, the federal and the state. In California, both sets are found in the California Code of Civil Procedure. Section 103.140 pretty much mirrors the federal exemptions. Section 704.730 contains the California exemptions, including California's generous homestead exemption. You will probably want to use these exemptions if you own a home. If not, you'll want to use the Section 703 set so that you can take advantage of the wildcard exemption, which at the moment is $38,700 that can be applied to any of your assets that don't fall under another exemption. Next, if you're facing foreclosure or eviction, you can file what's known as an emergency petition. In an emergency, you file the petition, Form 101, your credit counseling certificate, the statement of Social Security numbers, Form 121, the master mailing list in text format, and the statement regarding eviction judgment against you, if that applies. That's Form 101A. When you file an emergency petition, the balance of your schedules and other forms in the petition package must be filed within 14 calendar days after you file your petition. If you file your petition at the clerk's office, assemble everything in the order they appear in the petition package. If you file them electronically, see my video on electronic filing, not all the forms are filed as a single document. If you are applying for a fee waiver, the application and order are filed separately, as are the statement of Social Security numbers, the credit counseling certificate, the declaration of employment income with your pay stubs if applicable, and the creditor matrix in text format. Everything else, starting with the voluntary petition, is filed as one document. Once your petition is filed, you'll get a notice of bankruptcy filing that will give you the name of your Chapter 7 or 13 trustee and the date and time of your 341A hearing, along with instructions for appearing via Zoom. You can see my video on 341A hearings to learn what these are about. The most important thing is to make sure you know how to use Zoom and that you appear along with your co-debtor, in other words your spouse, if any, at that hearing. Next tip is to upload any documents that your trustee requests. Usually that will be your most recently filed state and federal return, a picture ID such as your driver's license, and a copy of your Social Security card. Try and upload these documents at least 2 weeks before your 341A hearing. If you're the adventurous kind, take a stab at doing yourself. But if you run into trouble, give me a call, 760-409-7705, or email me at martha@bankruptcysage.com, and I'll see what I can do to help you. I offer a free half-hour consultation to California residents and reasonable rates if you want to retain me. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only and doesn't constitute legal advice. Every situation is unique, so consult with a qualified bankruptcy attorney in your area for advice specific to your circumstances. Thanks for listening. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.